Let's talk about an easy way to speed up your daily bookkeeping. If you have a lot of invoices to record, you don't need to enter them one at a time. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can use batch invoicing to speed up your data entry and record multiple invoices at the same time. We'll go over 2 ways to use the batch invoicing tool: how to record multiple separate invoices at once, and how to make copies of one invoice that you can send to multiple customers. To get started, select New and then Batch Transactions. From this menu, choose the type of transaction you want to create. Let's focus on invoices for now. In addition to recording new invoices, you can also use this screen to modify or delete existing invoices. At the top, you'll see a column for everything you can record on an invoice. Your options may be different based on your settings. First, enter the customer you want to record an invoice for. QuickBooks automatically numbers your invoices, picking up where your last invoice left off, but you can change the numbers if you want. When you enter a customer's info, QuickBooks enters their email address, terms, and other info for you. You can also fill it in on this screen. In the Product Service column, select which products and services you're charging your customer for. If you want to track the quantity of a product or service sold, fill that in too in the QTY column. If you're charging someone for more than one product or service, move your cursor over the Product Service column and select the Plus button. This gives you another line to enter more products and services. Keep adding more lines until you have all you need to finish the invoice. Then record the rest of the data for the sale. Treat it like any other invoice. Decide whether or not you're charging sales tax for the product or service. Record any shipping charges, etc. You can also mark an invoice to be sent later if you need to. We recommend sending them off on this screen after you've filled everything out. Once you've entered everything you're charging a customer for, QuickBooks shows the invoice total on the top line. Now, just scroll to the left and start another invoice. This is how you can batch enter and send multiple individual invoices at once. If you're sending the same invoice to multiple customers, select the box to the left of the invoice and choose Duplicate Invoice for multiple customers. From the drop-down menu, choose another customer you want to send an identical invoice to. Select as many as you like, then select Next. QuickBooks copies the invoice for all the customers you chose. You can edit specific invoices before finalizing and sending them. Just select and change any information as needed. You can also remove products and services from an invoice. Move your cursor over the product service you want to get rid of and select the minus button. You can also delete invoices if you change your mind. Select the box to the left of the invoice and select Delete Invoice. Once you've finished, you can save and print or save and send your invoices to your customers. If you've already sent your invoices, you can just select Save. Select OK. Now you're ready to save time and record invoices in a batch.